What's going on, everybody? It's Tyro Investing here with another video. Today we'll be covering Robinhood, ticker Hood. I made a video about this. It was actually my first video on the channel, but I wanted to do a little bit of an update because we've had some changes. So let's get right into it. First of all, let's zoom in on the chart here on the big pattern that Hood broke out of here. I mean, it topped out at around $13 in July, and it's been in a downtrend since then. It's actually been, it tried, rejected, tried, rejected, tried again, busted through this downtrend. I think we're in for some uptrend here. We got the 200-day moving average right at about 10. I think that gets tested very soon. Just naturally, I think that's an area of resistance. But if we're able to go through that, I really don't see, I mean, there might be a little bit of resistance around 11, but if we look at the weekly chart, we can kind of see this pattern I shared in my original video, how we've been broke down, test, support, resistance, support, resistance, support, and I was buying down here with some shares. I've recently bought calls out of this break of this downtrend here. I mean, really, I think we're going to head back to this resistance again for Hood. I think it's very due. And just the chart looks great, but I wanted to share something on Twitter. Walter Bloomberg, just basically an account that shares updates of stocks and crypto and everything like that. Literally half an hour ago came out and said Robinhood Markets Inc. Hood November crypto notional trading volumes were roughly 75% higher than they were the previous month of October. So they basically a form of how they make money essentially doubled month over month. And if you don't think that's going to continue into December, I would say you're probably wrong. I think, if anything, it'll be even higher. So I think we're going to see some good moves for Hood here soon when you know that the financials are looking up for their next earnings. And I believe their next earnings is, let's see, we got to switch back to the daily. I think it's in January, roughly. So Thursday, January 25th. Is about, and that'll be everything up until basically the end of the year. So we had that November, and then we had this basically the whole entire December of crypto trading. So that's going to look really good for their next earnings. And on top of that, my guess is, because we've been in a really good period for the stock market as well, not just crypto, is that we're going to see some pretty good numbers for them on that side as well. So I'm pretty bullish fundamentally for Q4 for Robinhood, and then it basically just matches up with the chart. You know, I think we've got a good run from December to the end of the year where Robinhood could easily see that resistance again. So that's kind of my plan. I just bought I bought shares in the green here, but I just did buy some calls that are about a month and a half out. Give me a little bit of time, but I'm thinking at least 10, and then if we can bust through that 200-day moving average, I think we're going to see some resistance testing here up in the 12, 13 area. So that is my plan, fundamentals and technicals. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, give me a like, and if you could, I would appreciate a subscription as well. Really helps me move forward making more videos. And also give me a follow on Twitter/X at Tyro_investing. I do daily updates, posts on stocks, crypto, personal finance, all that stuff. So yeah, give me a follow on there. I'd really appreciate it. So until next time, we'll see you guys.